I'm currently the 2019 chairman of the board for the Chamber of Commerce, and I also am in the Rookie Academy for being a firefighter here in town, as well as being the general manager of the skating rink. I've been here since we've opened for 14 years. I know in junior high, Miss Nelson, who's now the current superintendent, was my librarian back then, and I remember her working with me on my reading. I was a terrible student. I really struggled with literacy, and I was dyslexic and just had a lot of struggles like that with staying focused, and Alvin ISD really met my needs. I'm still very impressed with how well our district does in meeting the needs of all the kids, because I see almost every school visits the skating rink every year, some of them many times, and I really feel like the kids only get better. It's great to get to live, work, and serve where you live. There's no doubt, because I don't go into Walmart or a gas station or just anywhere in town without seeing multiple people I know. And there's comfort in that for sure, but there's that extra value added that my customers, my friends, my family, they know where to find me. I know where to find them. They're in town. They're available. I was a triathlete for many years out of school, and I knew that I was always going to be close to Alvin because my family's here, and I didn't want to leave my family. And again, you know, I enjoyed my time here as a student. I didn't want to go too far. I knew that I might be at the skating rink just because I really enjoyed my job, but I didn't know for sure. And definitely, Nate, if you would have asked me if I would have been the chairman of the board of the Chamber of Commerce, I would have said no way. If I would have been a firefighter, I would have said no way. People don't want to live somewhere where there's not a good school. They don't want to live somewhere where there's not places to eat or places to shop. So businesses, school district, they really go hand in hand, and we are so happy that we have a school district that works so hard to keep a high standard, to keep those grades up, to keep the needs of the students met. When I started at the skating rink 14, 15 years ago, we did about 50 to 100 birthday parties a year. Now we do over 1,000 events a year. It's so fun right now because I have employees that 10 years ago were 8 years old and I was teaching them how to skate, and now they're an 18-year-old assistant manager and they're here doing their thing. So that obviously is very, very exciting. And when it comes to what we've talked about with serving, with partnering with a school district that is committed to the children, and it's not just about the test score, it's about commitment to the student success. I haven't seen a surrounding community that meets all of those or checks all those boxes for me, and that's why Alvin will be my home forever.